Can't keep side by side on the original start. The front row will go to the rear. One time only.
Okay. The order of events are up for the heat races.
Welcome to the opening night at I-35 Speedway. My name's Connie Sue Moss, and I'm going to take the Cheeseworks in-car camera on the heat race for the hobby stocks. Come right along with me.
Winner of the best. In the 9 junior, Brian.
Mike Jones is going to come by and take the white flag as he goes into turn 1 with about a 5-car length lead. Mike took this lead over early in the race and has held off several challenges from Deanie Ray, and he's going to take it. It's Mike Jones, Deanie Ray, Travis Walker, Chad Clancy. I'm here with the opening winner tonight in the Grand National class, Mike Jones. Mike, great run, started outside front row, just kept her up in front.
Yeah, it was a rough race. Deanie Ray, he's tough to beat. There's a lot of good competitors out there.
Yeah. I was going to say, Deanie Ray, he probably knows this track like the back of his hand, so anytime you can get one away from that guy, you've really done it.
Yeah, he's rough. I figured he'd be passing me on the high side. He loves the high side. I put it on the bottom, kept it there, and did the best I could, and we won.
You had to run down through them jumps and dips and everything else down there. It's pretty rough down there in turn one, wasn't it?
It was a little rough. Mike didn't have time to work the track because of all the rain this week, so it'll be better next week.
Yeah. Okay, there's your winner on night one here at I-35 Speedway, Mike Jones in the Grand National class. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.
Trouble getting through there, and there is the white flag. Bounces on through that turn down there. Cody Graham, let's drop back here, is moving up for that second spot. Jacobs has got a lap car, but he's going to go around him. It's going to be Jacobs, Graham, Jacobs, Graham, Peeler. We're here with the winner tonight at I-35 on opening night of the IMCA Sport Mods. Huey Jacobs. Huey started outside front row. Had a good run.
Had a great run. I'd like to thank Max and Joyce Corder. They sponsored my motor this year. And Burning Auto Body. We got so many sponsors on that car. Amos Construction, Kellum Farms. We started in front, and I got to give the guys behind me that ran there real close. Blake Peeler was in the second place car, and he ran me clean, and I appreciate it.
I was going to say it was a good race tonight. I guess it's really nice to start season out this way. Everybody's kind of been hanging around, waiting, playing out the rain, and good to get one under your belt.
It was good to get one quick, and I'll tell you, the track was rough down there on the bottom, and I just thought, well, no one's bothered me on the bottom, so I'll stay there. And every now and then I could hear Peeler up on the outside of me. But I thought, well, if we just keep on running strong right here, we'll just keep our line, and it paid off.
I was going to say, it looked like a couple times you come out of, I think it was 4, and you come out a little bit wide, and you was having trouble coming out of 2. That's where he was catching you.
Yeah, he's fast. He's a great guy. He's got a great car. He builds them cars and builds other cars up here in the A-Mod class, the stock car class. Mm-hmm. He'll be a tough guy to beat every week up here. Yeah. Blake's a great guy, and I appreciate him running me clean. Yeah. I'm just blessed to have the people I got in my camp. The Lord's blessed us this year, and I just praise the Lord.
Okay. All righty, there you go, folks. Opening night winner in the IMCA mod class, Huey Jacobs.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. Thank you.